Hi.
I wanted to ask you a favor.
Certainly, doll.
Ignore my voice, that's cool right now. I'm gonna go meet Chad Gray, because he's my boyfriend, because I'm special. May I borrow a condom for you, old mate?
Sure.
You have strawberries.
Yes, I do. Look right here. Oh, look at that.
Look at all those!
Ooh, so pretty. Here, pull them out. Pull them out.
Do you have strawberries?
I know, look at there.
I want strawberries. Aha! Strawberries.
Yep, my drawer full of condoms.
Isn't it grand? She always saves my ass and I don't have protection. Now I'm gonna go meet Chad Gray because he's hot. And now I have... damn it, in my pocket. Thanks, doll!
Welcome, doll.
Okay. I'm off.
Bye. Have fun.
Oh, I will.